Hello students. In our this slide, we will be discussing about some of the network connectors. So, Universal Serial Bus or USB is a computer standard designed to eliminate the guesswork in continuing peripherals to a PC. It is expected to replace serial and parallel ports. A single USB port can be used to connect up 127 peripheral devices such as mice, modems, keyboards, digital cameras, printers, scanners, MP3 players, and many more. USB also supports plug and play installation at and hot plugging. USB 1.1 is standard support data transfer rate of 12 Mbps. USB 2.0, also referred as high speed USB, specifications define a new high speed transfer rate of 480 MB per second. Next connector we will be knowing about is RJ45 and RJ11. RJ stands for registered jack. Let's start with RJ11. It is the standard telephone cable connector. RJ11 has 4 wires and RJ12 has 6 wires. It is the advanced version of RJ11. RJ11 is the acronym of registered jack 11. A 4 or 6 wire connector primarily used to connect the telephone equipments. So here the RJ11 has 4 wire connector which is mainly used to connect telephone equipments. It connects computer to network through the network's modem in the networking concept. It locks itself with a single locking tab and resembles just like RJ45 but is a smaller size of the RJ45. Next we will be coming to RJ45 connector. It is a connector with 8 wire connector that has been commonly used to connect computers to the local area network or LAN, particularly Ethernet LANs. Although they are slightly larger than RJ11 connectors, they can be used to connect some types of telephone equipments too. So it is one of the most common network connector that is used in networking. It is used to connect computer and network devices just basically as LAN. One end is clamped to the NIC whereas another end with the network device. It is used with the unshielded twisted pair cables. So here the two types of connectors are used for twisted pair cables. Beside this, we too have RJ11 connector which just looks similar to RJ45 and basically is used with STP or shielded twisted pair cables. Next, we will be discussing about the F-type connector. It is a coaxial cable connector. So, F-type connector is typically used for coaxial cables. These are primarily used by cable providers to attach cables and modem. If there is any broadband cables, there is a modem with coaxial cable attached to the F-type connector that screws to the back of the modem that attaches with a nut. This is basically used for satellite internet. They are also used for cable TV connections, for the local cable modems. The F-type is inexpensive yet has a good performance up to 1 GHz. One reason for its low cost is that it uses the center wire of coaxial cable as the pin of the male connector. The male connector body is typically cramped onto the exposed outer brad. Female connector has a 3/8 or 32 thread. Most male connector have a matching threaded connecting ring through push-on versions and are also available. Next, we will be discussing, after the twisted pair and coaxial cables, we will be discussing about the fiber optic cable connectors. So in fiber optic connectors come SC and ST connector. Besides that, we do have LC connector and MTRJ connector, that is mechanical transfer register jack connector. So we will first start with the SC connector. So the fiber network segment always required two fiber cables, one for transmitting data and one for receiving. Each end of a fiber cable is filtered with a plug that can be inserted onto a network adapter, hub, or switch. In the North America, most cables use a square SC connector, that is subscriber connector or standard connector, that slides and locks into place when inserted into a node or connected to another fiber cable. Europeans use a round ST connector or straight tip, which is also known as straight tip, instead of SC connector. So here we can see two diagrams of this connector. One is squared SC connector and another one is rounded ST connector. We do have LC connector, that is known as local connector or lucent connector. It is designed to compete with SC connector. It is a half of size of SC connector. It locks itself with a latch similar to RJ45. These connectors are basically used for single mode and multi-mode fiber optic cables. FC connector offer extremely precise positioning of the fiber optic cable with respect to the transmitter's optical source emitter and the receiver's optical detector. FC connector feature a position local table notch and a threaded receptacle. Next, we will be talking about MTRJ connector, that is mechanical transfer register jack. The MTRJ connector are used with single mode and multi-mode fiber optic cables. The MTRJ connector are constructed with a plastic housing and provide for more accurate alignment via their metal guide pins and plastic furless used for gigabit Ethernet. To connect the modules with MTRJ, interfaces use multi-mode fiber optic cables. So it is a mechanical transfer register jack and is very popular in the fiber optic networks. Fiber optic connector that uses a latched pull and push connector. It is a small form factor used for high packed density. The MTRJ uses two fiber in a single design and resembles just like RJ45. So here are some of the connectors of different networking cables. So this much for this slide. This was the topic of networking and networking devices. Here the slides end. Thank you all.